Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith. A little while ago, my friend Colton down in California sent me this video of this AccuCraft locomotive that he had just repaired. And I looked at that number and I looked at that loco and I thought, gee, that's awfully familiar. So I went to my old files and dug out some old video from April 15th, 2007. Here we are in White Rock, British Columbia, and we had just missed 2860 lead this train south down into Washington State. Here we are seeing it coming back northbound toward Vancouver. Unfortunately, they couldn't turn the train. So they took the steam locomotive, which was at the front, and the F unit behind it, and just shifted it around to the back of the train. But at least we got to see it in steam. Not only is the old digital camera without image stabilization jerky, but I was also holding it while taking pictures with my SLR camera. A year later, I rode in this old CPR open-air coach on the Whistler Mountaineer. There's a link to that video in the end screen. Here comes an old classic locomotive the BNSF was still using. I used to see it in and around the yard over at New Westminster.